Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for all the love that you give. I'm super excited because this is the first official YouTube video on my YouTube channel. Yes guys, you can tell by the smile on my face, but to retain that smile on my face you have to be following. So please subscribe, punch the notification bell so that whenever I post a new one you'll be the first to get notified. Welcome back guys, thank you, and I hope that you have subscribed and also hit the notification button so that you'll be the first to get notified. So this first video, be on myself in case you are not following or in case you are not my friend, sorry about that. My name is Tsechiwatsuche. I'm a fashion stylist. I style a lot of people that have occasions, want to do their birthday photo shoots or have pictures taken or go out for any occasion, whatever the occasion is, and you need to look good. I'm your guy. So I've searched here on YouTube before doing this video and I realized that not a lot of people have posts regarding draping. Now a lot of people might type something and not get to find it, or the way it is saved up on YouTube would be different from how you get to search and you cannot find. Hopefully this post would help you easily find that out. So what is draping? Draping is making dresses without sewing. Yes, without sewing. So you do not get to sew with needle and thread, neither do you get to sew with a machine, but you can make a dress simply from using just material, which is what my YouTube video is going to be showing you from start to finish, how I draped this model for a creative shoot with some of my creative friends in the industry. And I'm super excited because I wanted to actually do this, and it happened to be that I got a call a day to the shoot from my friend OAP, who invited me to jump on it, and of course it came like an opportunity. And like I say, opportunities only come but once. So as a sharp Nigerian girl, I just grabbed the opportunity and we did the shoot. It was fun. I wasn't sure from the beginning if I would actually have some clips to put together as a YouTube video, but thanks to the amazing guys that I met on set, they were super homely and accommodating, and it happened. So the next video you will be watching, I'm not really saying much, so I added a bit of text. So I hope that you'll be able to read really fast and just see the process into which I brought some of these amazing images to life through draping. If you want more of the juicy images, it's posted on my Instagram page at Stylelingua. Yes, so if you find me here on YouTube using Stylelingua, you find me. If you find me on Instagram, you definitely still find me at Stylelingua. So the next video is my video of me draping this beautiful model and working with other creatives and having fun, basically just draping her without sewing the dress. So let's get straight into it, and yeah, that's it. much for sticking through from beginning till the end, and I hope that you have learned a thing or two. If you've got questions to ask me, drop it in the comments and I will definitely run to your questions with answers. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and share it to all of your friends that need to see it. Talk to them about me. Tell them about Stylelingua. I'm bringing in more of the goodness, so stick around.